First, we clone the repo to local. Then, we set up env files in the front-end folder and server folder for the global variables. Here, we run docker compose commands as advised in the README file. Now, we import the workflows into your local hosted N8N server. Then, we need to create all necessary tables according to the commands in the README file. Let's set up credentials for all nodes in the N8N server. You need to set up all model nodes for using your API keys. Sometimes, the credential changes are not saved. You can try switching the model selection in the nodes and save the workflow again. You can find tutorials of credential setup for each platform in the README file. Next, we set up supabase for the RAG module. You need to sign up and use the SQL command provided to create our vector store table. It will be easy. Just follow the video steps.